Turning off two-factor authentication on Wise can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings option, usually found in the menu. Click on it, then select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the verification code, confirm your choice to disable two-factor authentication. You should receive a notification confirming that it has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Wise account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.